will see like that. Okay. Okay, can you help me highlight this? No real root. Now, no real root means what? B square minus 4AC smaller than 0. So, if you have this equation, what you need to do is you need to first arrange. Alright, arrange and group everything in A, B, and C. So, A is equal to 1. Benjamin, what is B? 2 minus 3P. C, P plus 1. Then you start your B square minus 4AC less than 0. You work it out. You have P more than 0. P less than 1 over 7 over 9. Okay, I assume all get this, okay? I continue B part 2. 2 part 2. Okay, so start 2 part 2. Now, how do I continue with this? It says, make a deduction. Can you underline, everyone underline the word hence? Okay, I zoom in first. Understand the question. Find what is going on. Try this. Right. C is P plus 1. Done? Done. Okay, everyone look at your 2 part 2. Underline the word hence and write down. Hence means must use answer from previous. That means 2 part 1. Getting clear about this? Clear. So you must use 2 part 1. So let's start again. What is 2 part 1? 2 part 1, I know I have. Okay, 2 part 1, I know I have this equation. 2 part 2, I have this equation. What do you think is the first thing I want to do? Very small, Okay, I make it bigger. Okay, let's analyze the question. 2 part 1, I have this equation. 2 part 2, I have one equation and a new equation. What do you think you have to do for 2 part 2? Sub. You want to combine. Okay? So combine. So let me write the equation out. I have first equation y equal x plus 1 squared. 2 part 2. Part 1 done already because I have p is more than 0, p is less than 1/7 over 9. Part 2. Very crunchy, Okay, part 2, I have something like that. I have one equation, I have one equation. So first thing what I want to do, combine, sub. What else? Only these two ones. So what do I do? Alright, 2 in 1. So, x plus 1 squared equal 3x minus 1, right? After what do you want to do? X. Expand. So expand, what do you get? You will have x squared plus 3x minus 1. You expand? Oh, not like that. Not like that. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to copy 2 part 1 answer. So let me write 2 part 1 answer. 2 part 1 question. 2 part 1 question, do you see this? X square plus 2x plus p equal 3px minus 1. Okay, who don't understand this one? You don't know where I get this? Do you know how I get this? No. No, this one is from 2 part 1 question. Can you see 2 part 1 question? 2 part 1. Do you see this? Do you see this question? This is in the question. All following me. Yes, because I only got one screen. So I need to make sure you follow what I say. This is from the question. This is from the question 2 part 1. Benjamin following? following. This is from the question in 2 part 1. Can you look at 2 part 1? Do you see this? Good. Now compare this and this. Is it the same? Almost. Compare x squared. Is it the same? Yes. At 2x? Yes. Same. P and then 1. Then this one, 3x, 3px. Just now someone said p equals to 1. Do you agree? And so what you write is by comparing p equals 1. P equals 1. Who need me to explain this? No need. Okay. Now, can you tell me from 2 part 1, what is the range of p again? P is bigger than 0, smaller than 1 and 7/9. Is this under this range? Yeah. This under this range, right? So what does it mean? If p is equal to 1 and is under this range, that means 2 part 2 have the same condition as 2 part 1. Does it make sense to you? Okay, let me write down. This means that 2 part 2 has the same condition as 2 part 1. Can you tell me 2 part 1 what's the condition? There's 3 words. No real roots, right? Because 2 part 1 they say, 2 part 1 is saying this one there is no real roots. So what can you conclude about part 2? Also, no real roots. Understand? Now how do I write in the statement? Okay, who is honesty lost here? Thank you for your honesty. Which part lost? This part, which part? After I compare lost already. Okay. Okay, after P do I lost already. Okay. After P equals to 1, what I want you to see? I want you to look at P 2 part 1 answer. I want you to look at 2 part 1 answer. 2 part 1 answer says what? P is between 0 and 1. 0 and 1 7/9. Does this fall inside here? Yes. Yes. If this fall inside here, that means 2 part 2 has the same condition as 2 part 1. Does it make sense to you? Now you follow? You follow. Now 2 part 2 has 2 equations. Look at 2 part 2. 2 part 2 has this equation and this equation, right? This is in 2 part 2. If I say no real roots for these 2 equations, what can you say about this curve and this straight line? Meet or don't meet? Don't meet because no real roots. So what is the conclusion you can write? Therefore, the line do not meet the curve. Can understand? Who need me to explain any part before I stop the video? What do I mean by same condition? Example, if P is 3, is it the same? No, that means I cannot conclude anything. But if P is 1, that means whatever happened in 2 part 1 will happen in 2 part 2. That is what I mean by same condition. What happened in 2 part 1? No real root. That means in part 2, also no real root. If I have 2 equations, 1 curve, 1 straight line, what does it mean by no real root? Meet or don't meet? No touch, never meet. So then you can conclude the line does not meet. I give a counter example. If now my P equals to 10, can you say the line does not meet the curve? No. Why? Because P equals to 10 is outside this range. That means it's different from 2 part 1. Do I need to repeat myself? Jia is digesting. Good. Digest. Keep solo. Who need me to paraphrase or rephrase? I need understand? Can I stop the video? Maybe I come to you later if you still need something. I come to you later. Okay? Alright.